Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhumika, pursuing the degree of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's video is about the subject Principles of Communication, in which we are talking about the topic PCM with line load. The PCM refers to the pulse code modulation, where the analog voice data must be translated into a series of binary digits before they can be transmitted. With pulse code modulation (PCM), the amplitude of sound wave is sampled at regular intervals and translated into a binary number. The pulse modulation is defined as the process of transmitting signals in the form of pulse, which is a discontinuous signal, by using special techniques. As you can see, there are four different characters, which says the first one is pulse amplitude modulation, the second one is pulse width modulation, the third one is pulse position modulation, and the last one is pulse code modulation. The block diagram of pulse code modulation refers to first where the analog signal is sent to the PCM encoder, where the PCM encoder consists of sampling, quantization, and encoding. This sampling and the quantization consist of the PAM signals, which is known as pulse amplitude modulation, where the quantization and the encoding consist of the quantized signals. This analog signal is further converted into the digital signal. The PCM processes, it has four different types. They are filtering, sampling, quantization, and encoding. The first one is sampling. Sampling is an analog signal where it consists of time seconds. The T is referred to as sampling interval. The f of s, where the sampling frequency is given by 1 by sampling time. This is also known as sampling rate or sampling frequency. There are three methods in sampling methods. There are ideal, natural, and flat top. The ideal refers to an impulsive at each sampling instant. The natural, a pulse of short width with varying amplitude. The flat top is the sample and hold like a natural but with sample amplitude value. The different types of sampling methods are given by ideal sampling, natural sampling, and the flat top sampling. As you can see, the diagram tells about the three different samplings. There are the channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. The next one is quantizing, the process of measuring the numerical value of samples and giving them a table value in a suitable scale, where the infinite number of amplitude interval is known as quantizing interval. Like quantizing interval, where the number 1 is between the 10 to 20 meters per volts, where the second one is 20 to 30 meter volts, and etc. In each case of 1 volt signal. The linear quantizing is where the quantizing intervals are of the same size. The advantages of pulse code modulation is it has a uniform transmission quantity and it is capable of different classes of traffic in the network. It has the integrated digital network. It is increased utilization of existing circuit. It has the lower manufacturing cost and has the good performance over very poor transmission paths. The disadvantages of pulse code modulation is it has a large bandwidth requires for transmission, the noise and crosstalk levels low but the rises attenuation. An integrated digital network can be realized be a gradual extension of noise. And the applications of this is in the compact disc. It is used in the digital telephony and the digital audio application. Thank you. I hope this video was interesting and useful to you all. Let us meet with an interesting topic in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.